These kind of mindsets will make or break your dating life. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And dito sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga negative mindsets na kailangan mo na baguhin in order for you to attract high quality dates. So, ano ba yung mga limiting beliefs or mga mindsets na to? Number one, you have negative self-talk. So, ikaw pa lang, sa sarili mo pa lang, hindi mo na sinusuportahan yung sarili mo. Dina-downgrade mo na agad yung sarili mo na, putya, pangit naman ako, maliit naman ako, payat naman ako. Yung mga ganon. So, wala pa nga nangyayari, hindi ka pa nga nakikipag-date, hindi ka pa nag-a-approach, dinidisqualify mo na agad yung sarili mo. Number two is feeling unworthy. Ibig sabihin yan, hindi ka proud sa sarili mo. Na feeling mo, may much better pa naman para sa kanya. Meron pang mas lamang sa akin. Mas ano ka, dun ka na, di kita pwedeng i-date kasi feel ko hindi pa ako para sa'yo. Yung mga ganon. So, with that one, it has something to do with your confidence, with your worthiness. So, makaka-apekto siya on your dating life talaga. And number three is, sobrang dami mo na agad na ina-anticipate na negative events. For example, kapag nakipag-date na, iniisip mo na agad, naku, baka masampal ako, baka mabasted agad ako. So, yung mga ganon. So, wala pa nangyayaring masama, inuunahan na ng isip mo. Kumbaga, nag-overthink ka na. So, kapag ganon, kapag patuloy mo siyang ginagawa, there's a lot of negative impacts that can happen to you. Number one is, you will repel potential partners. Again, ayaw ng mga babae yung mga sad boy. Number one red flag nila yan, sad boy. Because sad boys are manipulative na, putya, ito lang ako, ganyan. Number two, you may miss opportunities for connection. If you always try to hide yourself, if you always try to disqualify yourself, wala talaga magkakagusto sa'yo niyan. Again, it's all about increasing your sexual market value. Parang marketing to, parang product. Ikaw yung product and then this is the way on how you can market yourself. So, paano maraming bibili sa'yo kung hindi mo ma-market na maayos yung sarili mo? Lagi na lang bad reviews. Tapos yung bad reviews pa na yun, galing pa sa sarili mo. And number three, you feel stuck in the cycle of disappointment. If you always try to degrade yourself, hindi mo talaga ma-feel yung sarili mo na worthy ka. If lagi mo iniisip na, I'm not worthy, I'm not capable, I'm not courageous, mga ganyan. Ikaw mismo yung nagde-degrade sa sarili mo. So, madi-disappoint ka lang lagi. You will have these expectations na someone na magugustuhan ka for the way you are, but the world doesn't work like that. Sobrang taas na ng competition ngayon when it comes to the sexual market. Again, sa hirap ng buhay, women are looking for someone who's capable para mabuhay sila. Someone who can lead. If yung sarili mo palang hindi mo na kayang i-lead, then who else will trust you? So, this is important because shifting your mindset will attract the right people. So, mga biging benefits ito is number one, you'll radiate confidence and positivity. And those are attractive traits. So, pag lagi kang positive mindset, lagi kang confident is something na very attractive sa girls. Kahit pangit ka, kahit na hindi ka binahayaan ng jeans ni James Reid or ni Ding Dong Dantes, when you have confidence, sobrang lakas ng dating mo, yun yung something na hinahanap ng mga girls. Kasi kahit pogi ka, tas wala kang confidence, wala din. So, confidence talaga ang kailangan. Number two is you attract partners who match your energy. So, kung gusto mo ng mga partners na hindi negative, na hindi sad boy o sad girl, then you might want to change your mindset. Kasi kapag pareho kayong sad girl, kung sad boy ka, ma-attract mo rin sad girl. So, ang mangyayari lang, magkakaroon kayo ng toxic and unfulfilling relationship. Ayaw naman natin yun. And number three, you'll experience more fulfilling dates. For sure. Kasi with this one, you're very confident. A lot of opportunities, a lot of dating opportunities will open for you kung i-change mo lang tong mga negative mindset na to. So, after this video, I want you to identify one negative thought pattern and I want you to reframe it positively. For example, sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, torpe kasi talaga ako eh. Now, that belief or that mindset will not help you. Instead, switch it to something, I am courageous. Mga ganun. I am confident. Every time na sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na torpe kasi ako, counterin mo. Sabihin mo, no, ano ako, I am courageous, I am confident, man. It starts with your mind, and then the body will follow. So, yun lang. Let's go.